Hey everyone, my name is Henny, and just like all of you, I was also on an FLL team in middle school and competed at Borough Blast just a few years ago. Now it is my second year on Team 75, and I'm the lead for the STEM Kids program. So you might be wondering, what are STEM Kits? Well, they're kits with components for various projects. They incorporate invention-based learning, which can help young children spark a future in the STEM field. Today, I will show you two examples from last year.
It is important that we go through this process of create, play, remix, and share. As we begin our project, we take important steps throughout this process to make sure we are utilizing science, technology, engineering, and math aspects. So today, our challenge is to create a robot that can transport people from one place to another, and that would be a car. We will need a blue P1 power piece, the orange P1 wire, the pink i5 slide dimmer, and two green O25 DC motors. Next, we should brainstorm ideas and develop a blueprint to better visualize how we can use certain pieces to put together to make our product the way we want it to be. So our first step is to create, and we will be creating our circuits. So we connect the blue P1 power piece to an electrical energy source. Here we have a battery. Next is the orange P1 wire that connects the pink i5 slide dimmer. After that, we will need two O25 DC motors and connect them as well. The function of the battery is to give power, and the pink slider allows us to pick the speed of which the car will go at, and the two green motors help the wheels rotate. We can put the entire circuit on a board to give it a stable shape to move, and it's mobile. We can also change the directions of the tires. So how it works is that the pink slider is for changing the speed, and on the green O25 DC motors, you can switch the switch back and forth depending on which direction you want the wheels to rotate. And now we play. We can play around with the slide dimmer, which changes the speed, and the O11 servo to pick which way, clockwise or counterclockwise, the wheel spin. We put the car in motion to see how far it goes. We can also race cars. The next step is to remix, which means mixing ideas and creating a new version. The mixing part is crucial because it involves critical thinking to make your idea even better. We can think of ways to modify our cars. Lastly, for sharing, share with your friends and family. Host a car show to show off your car and its features, name your car, and do all fun stuff with it. Now, keeping the 4 steps in mind, our second challenge is to build a catapult or launcher which can effectively topple a tower made of cups. We will need the blue P1 power piece, the pink i3 button, and a green O11 servo with its servo mount, which is the white piece. Now we brainstorm ideas and develop a blueprint to better visualize how we can use certain pieces and put them together to make our product the way we want it to be. Next will be our first step, which is to create. Primarily, we connect the energy source, which is a battery, to the blue P1 power piece. Attach the pink i3 button, which connects to the green O11 servo piece. Make sure to attach the servo to its servo mount, which is the white piece. Once again, the purpose of the battery is to give power. The pink button is to release the catapult, like a trigger. The green motor is to rotate the arm of the launcher, and you will need to cut a paper cup into this shape and attach it to the arm. Make paper balls to launch. Now, we play. We set up the cup tower, we stack the cups, and place the launcher near it. Aim the catapult and shoot, and your tower is knocked down. Good job. Now it is time to remix, which means mixing ideas and creating a new version. The remixing part is crucial because it involves critical thinking to make your idea even better. We think of ways to modify our catapults. Lastly, for sharing, we share with our friends and family. Have a tournament with them and have fun.
Everyone, I hope you enjoyed the demo and learned more about the STEM Kids program on Team 75. Have a great day. Bye!